What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Christian's Kitchen. Today is our 10th episode, so that's super exciting. We've been together now for 10 weeks. I hope you guys have gotten a lot of enjoyment and a lot of value out of my content. Today, I did also want to take the time to let you know that I did go ahead and make... Oh, hey, Raj. Hi, buddy. Look. Sorry about that. As I was saying, I went and made a new Facebook page for Christian's Kitchen, moved over all my content, and all my new content will be put there. So please be sure to like that page and comment and share and interact on all my new videos. So let's get started with today's meal. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an awesome Cobb salad with homemade blue cheese dressing. It's gonna be topped with all the works, and it's gonna look amazing. So let's get right to it. Let's start by making a simple marinade for the chicken. Combine olive oil, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, salt, pepper, rosemary and thyme, and chopped garlic. Go ahead and give that a good mix and throw in your chicken. Let it marinate for as long as possible, and remember, the longer, the better. And we can't have a chopped salad without bacon. We're gonna bake it in the oven for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Time for the homemade blue cheese dressing. By no means is this gonna be a healthy dressing, but boy is it gonna be delicious. Start with equal cups of mayonnaise and sour cream, and then pour in 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Then add in your seasonings. I'll be using dried dill, garlic and onion powder, as well as some cayenne pepper.
And a dash of Worcestershire.
Next, we're gonna add in our blue cheese crumbles and a little bit more buttermilk to thin out the consistency. Stir in some freshly chopped chives or green onion, and you are good to go. After 15 minutes, we're gonna flip that bacon and throw it back in for another 10. Next, we're gonna hard boil some eggs for about 10 minutes. And at this point, we're ready to cook our chicken. It will need about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Now it's time to chop up the rest of our salad ingredients. We have 2 types of lettuce, bacon, hard-boiled eggs, purple onion, cherry tomatoes, seasoned of course, fresh avocado, and we can't forget about that delicious marinated chicken. Now it's time to assemble this beautiful piece of art. All that's left is to hit it with a drizzle of that beautiful homemade dressing and dive in. I hope you guys enjoyed my salad making skills. If you did, please like, comment, share with your family and friends, and we will catch you next time on Christian's Kitchen.